Okay, good morning, student, once again. So let's continue the class. Okay, so you can just write down the heading. So take your pen and copy. Oh, can you hear me, student? Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, my network is keeping on disconnecting, huh? That's why I'm facing so much of problem. Okay. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so you write it down. You write it down. Okay. Okay, so you can write down enzymes. ENZYMES, enzymes. Okay, enzymes. Enzymes. So you write down. Under enzyme. You write down acid phosphatase. ACID. Okay, capital A you write, and then after that writes all small letter. Acid phosphatase. PHOSPHATASE. Acid phosphatase. PHOSPHATASE. So in bracket you write capital letter ACP. ACP. So ACP, AC means acid, P for phosphatase. Okay. So write down the normal value. 0.52, 5.0, 0.5 to 5.0, U per L. Okay. U. You write down U. You can write capital letter also U. U per L. That means U per L means you can write down unit per liter. Okay, the meaning is unit per liter. It's unit per liter. U stand for unit. So it's unit per liter. So don't be confused. Okay, like what is UL and all. And next you write down alanine, ALA, ALA, NINE, ALA, NINE, alanine. Okay, and then give space and you write down transaminase. TRAN, TRANS, AMINASE. Again, let me repeat. ALANINE, alanine. Okay, and then again it is transaminase. TRANSAMINASE, transaminase. So alanine transaminase. So in bracket you write down capital letter ALT, all capital. Okay, ALT, ALT, ALT. Put comma, you write all capital. Okay, SGPT, SGPT. So alanine transaminase in during the investigation. Okay, during in the report. Okay, जब hospital से report लेते हो ना, so hospital से report लेते हो तो what happen is that in your report you will see ALT, SGPT na, all these the full form is alanine transaminase. Okay, so don't get confused between ALT, SGPT. It is same. Okay, so the normal value is 10 to 45 U per liter. 10 to 45 U per liter. Okay, please write it down first, okay? So write fast. Unless if you miss anything, you can ask me. I will keep on saying, okay? Next, you write then alkaline phosphatase. Phosphatase, don't know. I won't like spell again. I already give you all. Just write down alkaline. 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 And then phosphatase. जो पहले दिया था वो same है. Phosphatase. Write the normal value 50 to 100 U per L. 50 to 100 U per L. Okay. Okay, hope you are done. Next, you write amylase. 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 There are some students who never on their video. So from my next class, they will give presentation. I will teach them a great lesson. Get ready for those who never on your video for the presentation. Okay. Alkaline phosphatase. Okay. So amylase, the normal value is 30 to 150 U per liter. 30 to 150. 30 to 150 U per liter. 30 to 150. Okay, next you write down aspartate, ASPARTATE, aspartate transaminase. Aspartate, ASPARTATE, aspartate transaminase. Transaminase. No need to spell transaminase. Before I already gave you all with alanine. Alanine transaminase एक दे दिया था मैंने. So now you have written aspartate transaminase. So in bracket you write, before it was alanine transaminase. So you have written ALT, right? So now it is aspartate transaminase. So you write AST. It should be in capital letter. AST. AST. So give comma. So Rasmi, before alanine transaminase, you have written ALT along with what? Rasmi, ALT comma देके क्या लिखा था पहले? Rasmi, what you have you written?
SGPT.
Yes, very good. Okay, okay. So now all of you write down AST comma SGOT. SGOT. So this is aspartate transaminase. Okay, these are all the enzymes. Okay, that is present in our body. So what happened is that all these during investigation, if you know this normal value, you can find out. Okay, whether you have the high amount or less amount or whatever it is. So next, you write down creatinine. Creatinine kinase. CREATINE. Creatinine or creatine you can call this. CREATINE. Okay, creatine. And then you write KINASE. Don't write together. Together means don't write like joining. Okay, just give some gap. Creatine kinase. So in bracket you write capital C, capital K. CK. C stands for creatine, K for kinase. And the normal value is 50 to 200 U per L. 50 to 200 U per L. Next, you write down lipase, Lipase. Lipase, lipase. So, you write down normal value 30 to 150 U per liter. U per L. 30 to 150 U per L. Okay. And next is, all of you know how to write alpha, beta, gamma. Do you know how to write? Any one of you? अल्फा कैसा
Yes, ma'am.
लिखता है? Okay, so someone, all of you write gamma. How gamma is written and show me. Samuel, write gamma and show me. Gamma.
No idea.
Okay, Nafisisa, show me how gamma is written. Nafisha, on your like, okay, show me.
Ma'am, I don't know, ma'am.
Oh, do you know how to write alpha?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone know? Baboglang, do you know how to write gamma?
No, ma'am.
Anyone? Whom will? Srijana, do you know how to write? Rasmi? Darshana? Okay, so how to write gamma is your homework, okay? So the next is gamma. So just give space for gamma, okay? So there alpha beta का जैसा ना gamma एक होता है, वो लिखने के लिए जगह रखो. Keep the space for that, okay? Write gamma and then for gamma you just give this space and write dash लिखना. Dash लिख के you write in capital letter G. Dash लिख के you write G, and then after that, like all small letter, okay? Glutamyl, Glutamyl. 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 Then after that, you give little bit space and you write transpeptidase. 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 So uska wo full naam hoga, the full name will be gamma, then give dash and then glutamyl transpeptidase. So gamma is your homework. So once you know gamma, you just fill it up there, okay? So the name will be gamma glutamyl transpeptidase. So in bracket you write all capital letter GGT. 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 And the normal value is 5 to 50 U per L. U per L. U per L. Okay. So, Maboglang, so whatever you have written now, that is acid phosphatase, alanine transaminase, alkaline phosphate amylase, all these are what? All these are what? Protein or enzyme? Maboglang.
Enzyme.
Are the enzyme, okay, that used to be present in our body. So you need to know all these enzymes along with the normal value, not only the electrolyte, not only sodium, potassium. How many times you will study only the same thing, na? Apart from all this also, like everything you need to know, all the organic molecules, that is the blood serum present, protein. So sharir pe kya kya protein hota hai, albumin, globulin, all these things, and then what are the enzymes present, all these things you need to know. And even the hormones are also there, but all those I won't give, it's not that much required. If you need, then you tell me. Means hormones and all also, not like this testosterone also in adult males, all this, how much are the normal, everything's not much required, I think. So next, you write down urine, urine, urine. Write fast, okay, please, because next in tomorrow I won't like take class on this again, okay? That's why, because your exam is very near, so we will discuss all the like chapters and all, okay? We will have revision. We already have, but we'll keep on having. Okay, urine. Write calcium. Urine heading देखिए हाँ, you write the heading urine, 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 underline it, and then start writing. So in urine, what is the normal value of calcium that is present in the urine? You write down calcium. Calcium, CALCIUM, and normal is 100 to 250 mg mg per dl. Next, you write chloride, CHLORIDE, chloride. Write down, okay, 170 to 250. Do you know how to write milli equivalent per deciliter? Do you know how to write? Write down the chloride is 170 to 250, 170 to 250. Write milli equivalent per deciliter. So you write small letter M, write small letter M, and then capital letter E. E, okay, E should be capital. And then again write Q. Q should be small letter. And then give slash and then write DL. The unit is milli equivalent per deciliter. So are you clear? Can you write, all of you?
Yes,
Virginia,
Yes,
can you
ma'am.
write? Okay, write it down. Okay, so next you write down creatine. Okay, not the creatinine, creatine. CREATINE. CREATINE, creatine. So the normal is 100 mg per dl. 100 mg. Okay, next write down creatinine. CREATININE, creatinine. So write down the normal value is 0.822 gram per dl. Next, you write down oxal. Yes, Darshana, say
0.2
0.8 to 2. 0.8 से लेके 2 तक. 0.8 to 2. Next, write down. Okay. Next, write down oxalic acid. Oxalic acid. That day we have discussed about calcium oxalate, all those. Na? Write oxalic acid. OXALIC. OXALIC. That is oxalic acid. And the normal is 20 to 40 mg per dl. 20 to 40. Okay. 20 to 40. Okay, done. Next, write down phosphorus. Phosphorus. PHOS, PHORUS. Phosphorus. PHOS, PHORUS. Phosphorus. Okay, write down 0.5 to 1.5. 0.5 to 1.5. 0.5 to 1.5 gram per dl. Okay, next, urea, urea, urea. Urea, 15 to 40, 1.5, 15 to 40 gram per dl. Next, Uric acid. URIC. Uric acid. Uric acid. 200 to 500. 200 to 500 mg per dl. 200 to 500. So these are the like normal values that we see under this urine. So have you heard the term CSF, cerebrospinal fluid? Have you heard? Hey, I think you already had all this in the this anatomy, physiology and all. Have you heard cerebrospinal fluid? CSF. Have you heard CSF? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so cerebros, you write down in heading. Oh, this cerebrospinal fluid, you do one. Okay, if time is, you don't write this. Okay, if time is there, then you write. So I will give you one more that is very much important. So write heading inorganic substances. So organic molecules you have already written, right? So you write down inorganic substances. INORGANIC. Inorganic, together. Okay, not separate, together. Inorganic substances. INORGANIC. Inorganic substances. So underline it. So start writing. Okay, start writing. Calcium. Calcium. 9 to 11 mg per dl. Calcium. Calcium. All these are the like level of the calcium, chloride, all these, okay, calcium and all that are present in our like blood serum, okay, all these things. So that urine one we already like studied separately, okay. So in the urine also like the calcium level was 100 to 250 mg per this dl, na? So don't get confused, okay. This the amount that is that the normal value that you find in the urine as well as the normal value that we find in our this blood serum, okay. So write down calcium is 9 to 11 mg per dl, okay. Next you write down iron, IRON, iron. शरीर पे iron ज्यादा है कम है, all these things ना, iron, IRON. Do you know what is the like symbol of iron? Symbol of iron. Sodium is, okay, see what's Srijana?
Fe.
Yes, correct. Capital F, small letter E. Okay, capital F, small letter E. So iron. So the normal value of iron you write down 50 to 150. All of you 50, 50. Okay. Do you know how to write this mu? Mu? Do you know how to write down mu?
No, ma'am.
Means we also call it as microgram, na? Microgram. So do you know how to write it?
Yes, ma'am.
So show me, one of you write down, show me. There is a symbol. It is just like U. It is just like U shape. So one of you write down, show me, okay? Okay, Darshana, show nicely. Okay, all of you, can you see? All of you, can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you write like that, okay? So you write like that, mu. So that is microgram per DL. Write down mu and then write that symbol. After that you write G, okay? Small g. That is micro, mu. We call it as mu. So microgram per DL. So one of you write that one and show me. Show me what I have said. Paboklang, show me what I have said just now, how you have written.
Ma'am, I don't have finished to write.
Oh, okay, okay. Darshana, show them again how you have written. All together, totally show them. Hurry up, hurry up. That symbol, and then you write gram, and then it's not clear. Per DL. Okay. All of you, can you see? See nicely. This is how you have to write, okay? Mu G per DL. All of you, can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
okay. So next. So the iron was 50 to 150, okay? Mu G per DL, okay. Srijana, please take attendance, okay? And then you write this potassium. 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 Potassium value is 3.5 to 5. 3.5 to 5 milli. Okay, wait. Let me ask you all. What is the unit of potassium? Srijana, what is the unit of potassium? Virginia?
Ma'am, symbol or unit.
What, pardon?
Ma'am, symbol or unit.
Potassium symbol are in unit.
No, ma'am. Are you asking symbol or unit? I mean to say that.
Unit. Something unit, just like mg per dl, something like that, na? So what is potassium? 3.5 to 5?
Ma'am, mg per dl.
Mg per dl. Okay, Virginia, can you please tell me what is the unit?
Milli equivalent per DL.
Yes, correct. Okay, all of you write down. Potassium is 3.5 to 5. Srija, it is potassium is 3.5 to 5 milli equivalent per liter. Okay. So if in some notes, if there is any mistake, because of that, you have to study in that way. So correct it now. Okay. Okay, Srijana?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Right. 3.5 to 5 milli equivalent per liter. Okay. Write down sodium. 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 Sodium is 135 to 145. 135 to 145. And the unit is same, milli equivalent per liter. So always remember that potassium and sodium are always milli equivalent per liter. Okay. So milli equivalent per liter. So, okay, done. Then you write one more. Magnesium. Have you written magnesium? I think you have. Okay, because we okay, write down magnesium. 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 Okay, so the normal value of magnesium is 1.8 to 3 mg per dl. Okay, 1.8. 1.8 to 3 mg per dl. Mg per dl. So that is the normal value of magnesium. And the other one, you have I give iodine. All of you already have written iron now. So write down now iodine. 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 So iodine normal value is 4 to 10, that mu g per dl, that is microgram per dl. Again, you write down 4 to 10, okay? 4 to 10, it's 4 to 10 mu g per dl. Okay, that was the value of iodine. The other one, you can write it down, phosphorus. PHOS, PHORUS, phosphorus. So phosphorus is 3 to 4.5 mg per dl. 3 to 4.5 mg per dl. Please write fast, okay? Time is very less. 3 to 4.5 mg per dl. Okay. So I gave you all sodium, potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, iron, iodine. So you write down copper, COPPER, copper. Copper also, it is 100 to 200 mu g per dl, that is microgram per dl. 100 to 200, okay? Copper. Copper. And then write down again chloride, CHLORIDE, chloride. Chloride. Then chloride is 95 to 105. 95 to 105. 95 to 105 milli equivalent per liter. Milli equivalent per liter. Milli equivalent per liter. Okay. And next you write down this ammonia, AMMONIA, ammonia. Please write fast, okay? So less time. Ammonia, AMMONIA, ammonia. In bracket you write capital P, P, capital P. So Ilasara, what is P? Ilasara, what is P?
Yes, ma'am.
What is P?
No, ma'am.
Just before I had given you all before, right? Okay, what was P? What was P? Monica, what is P? Monica, what is P? Monica is sleeping, I think. Wait. Okay, Divyajit, what was P?
Ma'am, plasma.
Yes, very good. I have given you all just before. Okay, Lesara, plasma. P was plasma, and in bracket, so many times you have written B also. B was blood and P was plasma. So you write ammonia, in bracket you write P, that is plasma. And then so the normal value is 80 to 100 mu g per dl. 80 to 100, okay? 80 to 100 mu g per dl. Ammonia. Okay, next you write down bicarbonate. Please write fast. Bicarbonate. 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 Bracket you write P. P is plasma. Bicarbonate. So the normal value is 22 to 26 milli equivalent per liter. 22 to 26 milli equivalent per liter. These are all the inorganic substances, okay? So if you know this normal value, like it's very good. So just like don't get confused, don't get confused, okay? And don't study the wrong this unit and okay, because the unit is very, very much important, because milligram is different, gram is different, equivalent is different. So microgram, that is mu, is different. So don't study any like wrong unit, okay? So because if you write wrong unit, that means your whole process is wrong. So whatever I have given you all, like you just like study very nicely. So in inorganic substance, you see your copy, okay? If is there anything I miss out or not? Ammonia, bicarbonate, calcium, chloride, copper, iodine, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium. So have you written all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, only 1 minute left in organic. So today of organic protein, enzymes, so enzymes, hormones, inorganic cerebrospinal fluid. Cerebrospinal fluid is also there, but like it's not that much necessary for you all. So okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, Shelly, say.
ma'am, gamma का glue. Oh,
Oh, which one? That gamma one?
yes, ma'am. Gamma glue.
Okay,
क्या?
write fast, only 1 minute. GLUTAMYL. GLUTAMYL. Glutamyl transpeptidase. Okay. TRANSPEPTIDASE. Okay, Shelly?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Okay, then that's all for today. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am.